In this video I will introduce you to the revolutionary feature of the SuperBox S7 series, the time shift function. So what is time shift in streaming? Time shift allows you to rewind live programs, letting you replay scenes or parts you might have missed. We've integrated this feature into the new SuperBox S7 series. It can store up to 7 days of video and is available for many popular TV channels. Let's dive into Blue TV to see how it works. These are the remote control instructions. You can skip this guide and review it anytime in the settings. When you check the channel list by pressing the OK, you'll notice some channels are marked with a tiny white TV icon indicating that they support time shift. Additionally, we have a channel category named Time Shift featuring over 100 channels with this function. More channels will be added to this category in the future. To use Time Shift, select one of these channels and press the left button. This will activate Time Shift mode, taking you back to 3 minutes ago. You can play past programs from 2 minutes to 7 days ago by pressing the left and right buttons. To adjust the time, each click adjusts by 30 seconds while a long press enables rewind and fast forward. To return to live streaming, simply press the exit button on your remote. On the SuperBox S7 models, the left button takes you to time shift mode. The right button opens the search page, and the menu button directs you to the settings. Another feature of Blue TV on the SuperBox S7 is the parental control function. If there are channels you find violent or sensitive and don't want your children to watch, you can lock them using this function. Simply press the menu button, scroll down to parental control, click it and set a password. This will take you to the channel list, where you can navigate to the channel you want to lock, and long press the OK button. You can lock multiple channels at once. The next time you open Blue TV, you will need to enter the password to watch these channels. To change or remove the restriction, press the menu button, select Parental Control and enter the password. That's what's new with the Blue TV on SuperBox S7 series. We'll be bringing out more features and tutorials very soon. Stay tuned, and feel free to reach out with any questions. Thanks for watching.